In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Navy Federal Digital Investor. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find this page at NavyFederalDigitalInvestor.com. You can access it on a web browser on your computer or your phone, and when you arrive at the website, you will be able to browse through all the investment options that they have. First, if you scroll down, you will be able to choose between choosing your own investments, asking them to invest for you, or if you are unsure, you can also click this third option and they will give you instructions on where to begin. As you can see, if you keep scrolling further, you will be able to compare self-directed investing versus automated investing. Basically, for the first one, you will be able to take full control of your investments, and for the second one, they are going to do it for you, manage the investments, etc. As you can see, they have a quick summary overview here that is going to help you understand the difference between these two investment plans. The cost is the same and there is no minimum investment for both of them. They also have a frequently asked questions page over here at the bottom, and if you need additional help, I recommend you take your own time to read through all of this. When you are satisfied and you want to open an account, choose between self-directed or automated, and you will have to agree to the disclosures that they have here. If you accept the terms and conditions, tick this box and then click continue. You will have to sign in on your Navy Federal account. As you can see, sign in with your Navy Federal username and password, and you will be able to enroll into the digital investor for Navy Federal. They will have all the services available on your dashboard as soon as you log in. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate that process because I don't have a Navy Federal account currently open, but as long as you sign in using your account, you will be able to invest in the website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Navy Federal Digital Investor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.